Now the 17th question. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? I will read again. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? And second part is, suppose that bulb drawn in 1 is not defective and is not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? The second case, it is said that we are already drawing a first one bulb from the in the first case, and it is found that it is not defective and it is not being replaced. After, in that case, we are drawing another bulb and we have to find the probability that this is not defective. So we will deal with the first case. In the first case, it is said that there are 20 bulbs, and among these 20 bulbs 4 are defective. So if I am taking a lot, there are altogether 20 bulbs, and it is given that 4 are defective ones. Since there are total 20 bulbs, and if there are 4 defective ones, we are very sure that 16 are non-defective ones, and we have to find the probability that the taken out bulb is defective. So how many defective bulbs are there? 4. And what's the total number of bulbs in the lot? 20. So the probability will be number of favorable by total number. Favorable means number of defective bulbs in this lot. Number of defective bulbs in this lot is 4 and total number is 20. It is directly given in the question. So the probability value, required probability, will be equal to 4 divided by 20. Okay, so in this lot there are 20 bulbs, and it is given that 4 are defective ones. 4 defective means 16 will be non-defective, and the question is to find the probability that the taken out bulb is defective one. So defective ones, there are 4 defective bulbs and total 20. So the probability value will be 4 by 20, which gives you the answer as 1 by 5. Okay. Second part of the question. In the second part, it is said that already we are drawing a bulb from in the first case, and it is given that it is not defective. The bulb which we are taken out is not defective and is not replaced. That means we are not putting back that bulb into the slot. So already there were 20 bulbs. We took out one bulb which is not defective. That means we took out a non-defective bulbs, and since there are 20 bulbs and we took out one, total number of bulbs remaining will be 19 bulbs. Of that 19 bulbs, how many defective will be there? 4 defective. Why? Because we took out a bulb which is not defective, and 15 will be non-defective ones. Clear? So already there were 20 bulbs and we took out one bulb in the second case. So if we take out one bulb, the total balance number will be 19. Out of these 19, 4 are defective ones and 15 will be non-defective. Why? Because in the question there was 16 non-defective bulbs and we took out one non-defective bulb. So now the balance in the lot is 4 defective and 15 non-defective. And the question is, we have to find the probability that the bulb is not defective. So in the second case, the lot contains 15 non-defective bulbs and 4 defective bulbs, which gives a total of 19 bulbs. So in the second case, the required probability will be equal to the same formula, number of favorable divided by total number. Favorable means we have to find the probability that it is not defective. So how many non-defective bulbs are there? 15, and total number of bulbs is 19. So the probability will be 15 divided by 19.